Hey guys, we are Team Cobra Kai, and this is our project Aware, where we want to make social media users more aware of their data privacy. So this is our team, which comprises of me, Shray, Trevor, Varun, and Ranjith. And so the dilemma is that social media websites are notoriously known for storing immense amounts of users' personal data. Although many websites do provide the option to view the personal data, the output could be overwhelming or hard to understand for the average user since it's in a raw JSON or HTML format. And this led to our problem statement, which is how might mainstream social media users be better educated about what personal data is stored and how the data is used so that they can be more aware and intentional of what they post online.
Some of the key insights we found during our research was that many users wanted to know about the different kinds of data that is being stored about them. But currently, there aren't any platforms out there that provide a personalized and intuitive way to visualize their data. We also found that this topic can be sensitive for some people, as the topic of personal data can be intimidating. So we realized that our goal should be to raise awareness rather than using scare tactics against them to use our application. And of course, we will have to adhere to privacy laws and regulations. So our current product is only limited to our Facebook data, but we hope to expand in the future.
And so we created two user personas, and the first persona is someone who has a strong tech background and is knowledgeable about how you can download your data in raw format. And our other user persona is someone less experienced in tech, but they do notice like personalized ads and they want to learn more about where that comes from. And so in our project, we created two key features, which are our visualizations of the user's data. And essentially the first visualization is is a tree map of group interactions, and it shows the counts of how many times you've interacted with each group. And then our other visualization is a word map that compares the most common words in your ads interest file and your liked pages file.
During our concept validation, we had some users walk through our application and give us some valuable feedback. Some of them pointed out that we should have the tutorial for downloading your Facebook personal data on our application instead of directly linking to the Facebook tutorial, just for convenience purposes. We also realized that we should put up more description and interactivity to our visualizations. And apart from that, some of the people expected some general strategies on how to control what data about them is being exposed, just to get started with being more aware about their online behavior.
So the two main values we focus on are data privacy and education. For education, we know that there's a knowledge gap between people involved in tech and people who aren't about the data that companies store on them. So we just like our platform to mainly be used as a learning platform where they could learn more about what data is stored about them. For data privacy, we value data privacy because our app is dependent on users uploading data to our site. So we want to try to alleviate any concerns with this by making it clear that we don't store any data and all data is deleted once the user leaves the session.
For our demo video, we would like to demonstrate how a user can upload their data to our site and the resulting visualizations. First, the user can click Get Started on the home screen, where they will be brought to a tutorial on how to download their data from Facebook. After they download their data, they can click Next, where they can upload their data files. After you upload your files, our code will analyze the data and return multiple visualizations revealing insights about your data. Hover over the visualizations for more information. After looking at or screenshotting your visualizations, go to our Next Steps page for online strategies. So for our next steps, we want to continue our work as an open source project after Capstone, and we want to explore other data files in the Facebook folder through other visualizations, and also eventually expand to analyze other social media platforms. For future work, we also would suggest developing a more personalized strategy for changing social media behavior. Thank you.